As an introduction to Smart Objects, I thought I'd go about it by showing you how to bring in a file from another program. So here is a Illustrator file. So Illustrator is another Adobe product, and I've got everything selected. I'm going to copy and then come over to Photoshop. Now, depending on where this is coming from, you may or may not get a Smart Object dialog, so just roll with this for a minute. But if I paste, I might have an option here asking what I want to paste as, and Smart Object is one of my options. When I click OK, it'll come in looking like this with the transform box already set up, and when I hit enter, it will become a smart object, and the thumbnail has a different look to it. It's got this little new page icon in the corner indicating that it's a smart object. There is a setting somewhere, and I looked for this and couldn't find it, but I know some Photoshops come as default when you copy in a picture that it will paste as a smart object. This is why I'm showing you this, in case you have one of these setups where everything you bring in is coming in as a smart object. What a smart object is, it's like a nested file within your Photoshop document. So this layer right here, I can do things to it like transform or apply a layer style, but I couldn't erase or brush on it, and if I try to, it'll just tell me no. That's because it's a nested file, and the actual file I'd have to double click on this icon to manipulate. So by double clicking on the thumbnail, I'll get this window that will inform me what I'm doing the first time around, and then it will open this file in either Photoshop if it was a Photoshop file, or in this case Illustrator, and I could make any changes I wanted, save it, close it, and return to Photoshop and see the change difference. So I'm just going to change the color, save it, close it, and then go back to Photoshop. That whatever I did, it actually didn't change the file that I originally copied this from. It actually created its own individual copy of a file that's nested in here. That's essentially what a smart object is. So these next couple of tutorials are going to look at smart objects specifically from the Photoshop side. We won't be bringing in Illustrator or other programs, but you just need to know that if for some reason when you paste something into Photoshop and it comes in like this as a smart object, you can manipulate it by either double clicking on the thumbnail to open whatever file it is in whatever program it came from, or you can simply right click on that smart object and say to rasterize the layer, which will turn it into a pixel layer at any point.